Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will trade on IK option to analysis on volumes. So you can see the market is ranging in here and I have a levels. I hope the market will break out these levels. Okay, you can see the market has been break out my levels clearly with the high volume node area, and it's came for the retest, and when the market is break out these levels, I didn't see any strong levels exist in the VM mode. I mean exist resistance level didn't exist strong resistance level in the VM mode, and I have strong confirmation from the vertical volumes. That's why I have been placemented put option in here. So let's see the result. I hope it will be go up from here. Okay, market is so crazy. I hope I will win this trade. Okay, I have won this trade. So I have won this trade with my analysis. It was my perfect shot in here. So I will take one more trade, and I'm waiting for one more perfect signals, then I'll stop my trade. The market is so bad right now. I'm looking for a good signals still again for placing the trade. You can see again the ranging, and I have a strong price. I had a strong price in here which I already used, so I'm looking for a new price, strong price, where I can place a reversal trade with my volume confirmation. So still I don't have any strong confirmation. You can see the market is try to going down, so I'm waiting for market is going down. Okay, market is break out these levels. This is the previous ranging area, and it's very strong levels in here. So I have been placemented call option in here. I hope the market will go up from this level, but this is my late entry. I want to placement it from here. It was very late entry from my entry point. So why I have been placemented in here, you can see the market is uptrend in here, and it was my previous strong levels, which is very strong levels exist in here, and I was waiting for retest these levels. And when the market retest these levels, I can see the VM mode is made the strong levels in there, and after making the strong levels, I got the confirmation from the horizontal volumes, and you can see that the previous horizontal volume, it was high density of the volumes. It was gaining up, it was going up. Okay, and I had a good candlestick confirmation in here. If you see in here, the market was get rejected again and again from the support levels. If you see, it was rejected first time, second time, third time, and this shooting star candle has been closed in my levels. It didn't break out my levels. So, and after the this candle has been closed these levels, then I can see the market was growing the high density of the green volumes. Okay, so that is my good confirmation for placing the trade call option. So this is my today video. So if you have any questions about my trade, you can ask the questions in my comment section. And if you think this video is useful for you, so please share this video with your friends. So take care. Bye bye everyone.